today we are going to present you Kangchenjunga Goecha trek, the entire new series guys, the winter trek. Happy New Year, and see the Kangchenjunga views. You can see beautiful views all across, wonderful. These views will be available at the Kangchenjunga viewpoint, the end of the Goecha trek. So see the complete series guys. Now let me tell you the route. We're starting our journey from Hyderabad to Kolkatta by flight, then Kolkatta to Jalpaiguri by Vande Bharat train, and then we will take a cab to Yuksam. From Yuksam we'll do a trek to Tshoka, Zongri, and then hike to Zongri top. Then again we'll go to Tansing. Then from Tansing we'll go to Lamuney, and then finally from Lamuney we'll go to the viewpoint, the Kangchenjunga viewpoint, the nearest you can get to Kangchenjunga from the India side. So guys, let me explain you the trek. We are starting our journey from Yuksam. The trek will start. We'll reach tonight at Sachin, and from Sachin we'll be going to Tshoka, and from Tshoka we'll be going to Zongri, followed by Zongri top and back to Zongri, and then we will be going to Tansing. Tansing is one of the high altitude areas. From Tansing we will go to Samithi Lake. That's one of the beautiful sightseeing place where you will see the golden duck. After Samithi Lake, we are going to the Kangchenjunga views, the main base camp point. From India, that is the closest place from where you can see the Kangchenjunga. Once we complete, we will be returning from the viewpoint all the way to the beautiful place Zongri, and then from there Tshoka, and then Sachin, and then Yuksam. So stay tuned guys. Today we are going to Sachin all the way from Yuksam, mountainous areas along with 3 suspension bridges. So today plan is to start trekking from Yuksam all the way to Sachin. Roughly it takes about 7 to 8 hours, depends on the capabilities and the strength. We are climbing the altitude from 5,840 feet to 7,400 feet. So we are attaining altitude over the course of this trek. So you will be seeing multiple suspension bridges, 2 to 3 bridges guys, so stay tuned. Rajesh, they are our god for this entire 10 days. No. They will take us to Kangchenjunga viewpoint 1, Goecha viewpoint 1. The route is from here, Yuksam we are going to Sachin to Tshoka, and Tshoka to Lamuney, Zongri tops to Lamuney, and via Samithi Lake we will be going to the Goecha viewpoint 1, and while coming back we will touch Samithi Lake and we will come to Tshoka and then back to Yuksam. So overall that's the route. Very good organizing from Bikath Adventures. First time we are also traveling. So now we have entered this Yuksam monastery prayer wheels. These wheel represents the holy culture of Buddhism. As you can see, we spin the wheels, and these wheels are identical to temples, the bells of the temples. You can see mesmerizing wheels guys. So we have taken the blessings of the mighty Buddha before we embark on the trek. So we have come here to offer our prayers to this monastery. Just amazing.
पाइप पुल टेंट, ये टेंट बहुत अच्छा है, तो देखिए इसको, ठीक है, जिप भी थोड़ा प्यार से ऐसे फाड़ दो और दोनों हाथ से, एक हाथ से नहीं, कोई नहीं एक हाथ से खींचता है ऐसे, चलो थैंक यू, फोटो लेते हैं।
The trucker started the trail to Sachin. Hey Anita, we are at the checkpost, Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve Forest checkpost.
चेकपोस्ट तक आ गए।
ऑफिशियल ट्रैक इधर से स्टार्ट होता है. Guys, on the way to Sachin. Slowly we are trekking to acclimatize slowly. There is the road, guys. Just started, guys. Very beautiful trek. The stone carved trek here. Stone paved trek. Slowly we are coming.
Okay.
Blue water.
माउंटेन पूरा बीच के वाटर।
Wow. Hello. Wow, what a beautiful path. Wonderful path, guys. अभी तो शुरुआत है आज का दिन. Long day to go, but we are doing good. धीरे धीरे आ रहे हैं. साचन पहुंचेंगे धीरे धीरे. Wonderful place, guys. Amazing. Guys, mind blowing. Wow, see the trail. See the trail, guys. See the beautiful mountain trail, guys. Amazing mountain trail. Wonderful. That's the route going to the beautiful Sachin. Wow, what a beautiful trail, guys. Amazing trail. Just wonderful. We have come all the way from this beautiful trail. Now about to enter the first area, the suspension bridge, guys. Guys, Himalayas are calling us once again. We're on the way to Sachin. Himalayas are calling. See the trail, guys. See the trail, beautiful trail. See the beautiful trail, guys. Wonderful trail. Every person should come to Himalayas. See the beautiful stone paved trek path. Stone paved trek path, guys. So guys, we're approaching the ropeway, the first ropeway.
Yeah, my friend was first.
First place, yes.
First visit. Correct, अभी और भी जाएंगे. I think 4 days.
First one.
ये first. 3 मिनट.
आज और 3 मिले, 2 मिले.
और 3
Welcome to Kangchenjunga National Park, guys. See the beautiful Kangchenjunga National Park, guys. Amazing national park. Welcomes every person. Beautiful waterfalls, guys. Amazing waterfalls. देखो भाई, देखो इतना प्यारा waterfalls है. Beautiful waterfalls, guys. Wonderful. And this is the mighty UNESCO World Heritage, guys. It's called the UNESCO World Heritage. अभी बहुत ऊंचाई है ऊपर, एकदम हाइट जाना है. Wonderful, guys. Amazing. UNESCO World Heritage. Wonderful.
फाइन है, लेकिन ये कुछ अलग टाइप का है. जैसे हिमाचल में थोड़ा अलग है.
Ultimate stone paved roads, guys. Stone paved trek path. Wonderful. We're amazing every minute. The stone paved trek path. Beautiful trek trail, guys. Trail is amazing. धीरे धीरे जा रहे हैं हम ट्रेल पे. बहुत हाइट है. हजारों साल पहले ये रोड बनाया होगा. This trail might have been created thousands of years back. क्या निदा? Thousands of years back, guys. See the trail, beautiful trail. Just amazing. Wow. Guys, that is me, Viplav. Wow, what a beautiful water stream. ये पानी पी सकते हैं? भाई पानी पी सकते हैं? You can drink. पी सकते हैं? Blue water, guys. See the blue water. Wonderful. We're on the way to the second bridge now. Amazing. Wow. See the bridge. The beautiful bridge ahead. Wonderful. Wonderful, guys. Amazing waterfalls. Wow. The second bridge after about 4 hours of trek. Amazing, guys. Mind blowing. Now we are on the second bridge. क्या रहता? कैसा महसूस हो रहा है?
बढ़िया बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. सब ब्रिज भी पार करने वाली है. उसके बाद बस एक और ब्रिज बचेगा.
और एक ब्रिज है इसके बाद.
आज का स्टेज है.
अमेजिंग ब्रिज. हाँ, बहुत प्यारा ब्रिज है भाई. वंडरफुल. स्मॉल ब्रिज बट वाटरफॉल्स के ऊपर बना हुआ है ब्रिज. जस्ट अमेजिंग, माइंड ब्लोइंग, वंडरफुल. Haba, what a stone path. Oh God, not easy. Wonderful, guys. Amazing. On the way to Sachin. Tough road. What a treacherous road, guys. Wonderful treacherous road. Oh God. See the valley. Amazing valley. And that's our trail route. Long way to go, guys. Wow. to the concrete bridge. Treacherous trek today, a bit late, but nevertheless we are able to reach the campsite in a short while. अभी हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. 5 बजे हुआ टाइम, 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock is too dark, guys. Already too dark. Wonderful, wonderful adventure. Stay tuned. We have come to Sachin yesterday after a treacherous journey. My leg was aching like anything, but we were able to do it finally. And now today we are going to Tshoka. Tshoka is a small trail, but for me it's going to take some time. So let's do it with full enjoyment. Let's do it, guys. See how the tent. Here is a trek. We are in between the jungle. Jungle mein hai bhai. Thick jungle. We are trekking to Tshoka. Beautiful trek so far. Enjoying the vistas all around. We're on the way to Tshoka. Good going guys, good going. See the road, ultimate road everywhere. Maza aa rahi hai. The road is amazing guys, just amazing. Wow, what a treacherous route guys. Amazing route to Tshoka. Beautiful waterfalls. Beautiful waterfalls guys, very beautiful waterfalls. Wow. So we're on the way to Tshoka. We started our journey in the morning after breakfast. Now we can see the water crossing, beautiful water passing, and that's Anita ji. Hello, hello, hello. Bridge will come above. In the front bridge might be coming. Nice guys, and that's me. और भी आ रहा है शायद, और भी आ
नीचे का भी आ रहा है ना?
हाँ
दोनों आ रहा है?
हाँ पूरा आता है.
पीछे तो कोई नहीं
नहीं है. तो Tshoka कितना दूर है? Tshoka
Tshoka अभी चलेगा,
बहुत दूर है.
हाँ 3 घंटे.
हाँ ठीक है. ये हमारा ही है. हेलो. Wow. Finally a Finally, some people are living here. We are able to make it halfway, guys. Wonderful journey. Wow. Today just wonderful, guys. So guys, we have reached Bakim, 8,642 feet, 8,654 feet above sea level. Wow. One settlement over, wonderful, guys. Just wonderful. So Tshoka is more 2 kilometers. Tshoka 2 kilometers, guys. We are able to make it to Tshoka very soon. Wow. Wonderful. Finally, we have come to the Tshoka campsite. Wonderful, guys. Literally mind-blowing route. This is the route, guys. Hi Anita, finally we have reached Tshoka. Nice, wonderful climate today. Hey Anita, hello. Finally we have reached the camp. Wonderful camp, guys. Welcome to Tshoka. We reached Tshoka. Finally, a treacherous journey of 2 mountains. Oh God, never-ending steps, guys, never-ending steps. But we have done it. So far, so good. We'll try our level best. और अनिता जी क्या हाल है? चाय पियेंगे? बाय बाय. इधर ही पी लेंगे ना? Oh. So finally we have come to Tshoka Himalayan base camp.
Yeah.
We will name that.
And the Tshoka meaning is
never-ending step was.
बहुत प्यारी मोनेस्ट्री है, बहुत अच्छी है। और यहाँ पे एक लेक भी है, थोड़ा पानी कम है लेकिन अच्छी है। लेक है यहाँ पर और फ्लैग भी दिख रहे हैं, बहुत प्यारा व्यू है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। थोड़ी ठंड है। मोनेस्ट्री इस समय शायद बंद है बिकॉज ये इस समय ऑफ सीज़न है, तो यहाँ कोई आता नहीं है, बहुत रेयरली टूरिस्ट आते हैं।
We are witnessing the first beauty of the Himalayas. Morning, we are greeted with these beautiful mountains traversing across our campsite. Beautiful sunrise is about to happen in a short while. Wow. This is a campsite. Wonderful campsite, guys. Wonderful vistas. Wow. Beautiful vistas. The first glimpses of the mountain vividly being captured by us. As we proceed further, we will see more mountains, guys. More mountains. Beautiful, bright day today. Very clear climate, guys. Very clear climate. So guys, today we are starting our journey from Tshoka, 9,790 feet above sea level, and lunch will be at Penang, and then followed by lot of steep steps. We will reach the Zongri Camp 3, 13,190 feet above sea level. So today is going to be a typical tough trek, guys. Lot of jungle and also big mountains we need to climb, and also there will be numerous steps, numerous blocks, especially lot of stones would be there, so we need to be very careful when we are trekking these treacherous places. So that's about it. Tshoka, 9,790 feet above sea level, all the way to Zongri, 13,190 feet above sea level. So stay tuned, guys, don't miss this beautiful video. You'll also see the Kangchenjunga views in this beautiful video at Durali top. So guys, we have started our journey to Zongri. Tough journey today. Going to do slowly, buddy. We'll do slowly. As simple as that. Very steep climb above. Very steep climb. This is a monastery yesterday Hanita has visited. UNESCO World Heritage, guys. This is the trail, very tough trail. What a beautiful trek. See the trail, guys. Wonderful trail. Amazing trail. We climbed a mountain on the way to Zongri. Wonderful trail, guys. Just amazing. See the forest, thick forest. Lot of boulders, guys. Lot of boulders. Slowly we are gaining the height. I mean to say the altitude as we climb these stairs. And as you know, people call it as the never-ending steps. Very tough terrain, guys. So stay tuned, you will enjoy this video in its entirety. So you can see a lot of wooden planks that were installed here to help us to climb this high altitude. Small wooden planks along with boulders are really helping us to climb this height. Amazing journey, guys, literally. You can see beautiful planks that were fixed. Guys, see the beautiful mountain in all its glory. We're on the way from the beautiful trail from Tshoka to Jongri. What a beautiful pahad, wonderful guys, just amazing.
रास्ता बहुत कठिन है, बहुत ऊंचाई है, ये पथरीले रास्ते। क्यों विप्लव? ये पथरीले रास्ते, और इन पथरीले रास्तों से विप्लव आते हुए
अरे भाई,
आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ। अभी ऊपर तक जाना है। Oh God.
भाई फरांग कितना दूर है? फरांग कितना दूर रहता है? ऊपर ही है ना भाई? फरांग कितना दूर है? फरांग वही है कि फरांग मतलब जो ऊपर?
गाइस, इस ट्रैक की पहली आइस देखने को मिल रही है यहाँ पर। मेरा भूरू मेरे साथ। ओके, ये भूरू देखो हम लोग के साथ साथ चल रहा है। आई थिंक ये कंचनजंगा बेस कैंप तक हम लोग के साथ ही रहेगा। ये भी ट्रैक कर रहा है हम लोग के साथ साथ।
फरांग भैया, फरांग में रीच हो गया। The beautiful route, you will not believe. This is the road, guys. Trailing path, very tough, and we're able to make it to the place. Mountains देखो भाई, mountains।
भैया हम लोग क्लाउड के ऊपर है, क्लाउड के बराबर में।
पता है mountains देखो, ये कौन सा mountain पता नहीं?
The last one is Pandim.
Last
Mount Pandim.
Mount Pandim. The height of Pandim is 6661.
okay
Second one is Kangchenjunga.
okay
Kangchenjunga. The height of Kangchenjunga is 61 something.
okay
Okay, and the other one? Lamuney. Okay, the height कितना उनका? 5000 plus.
okay
बाकी यहाँ पे जो रेंज है उसको कल बोल रहे हैं, और भी एक बोल रहा था लमानमुनी, तो अननेम्ड है ना,
unnamed
वो ऐसे लोकल्स के हिसाब से रखा गया है।
अच्छा।
लमानमुनी।
okay
So guys, it's 11th one, 430 feet above sea level. So we have come until here. Now अभी बहुत ऊंचाई है, 3-4 घंटा लगेगा जाने के लिए।
यस,
मज़ा आएगी,
फटाफट
ठंड
lunch
में
करते
मज़ा
हैं।
आएगी।
फटाफट
ठंड
लंच
में।
करते हैं फिर निकलते हैं।
ओके गाइस, स्टे ट्यून्ड। गुड आफ्टरनून। कितना दूर है सर जोंगरी? ओहो, see the treacherous route guys, very tough route on the way to Zongri. Oh god, so this is the route. You need to climb all these mountains to come here. So many stones, patthar hai bhai, bade patthar hai. Wow, wonderful guys, wonderful guys. Amazing trek going on. Not a easy task, but we are doing it. मजा आ रही है भाई, मजा आ रही है। Oh god, very tough trek guys.
हेलो, हाय, हेलो।
Beautiful cloud layer over here. We are literally on top of the cloud and seeing this trail. See the beautiful cloud covering the entire mountains. Mountains. Now treacherous path. Somehow we have to maintain. We have to go with this. Let's see. How far is it? How many kilometers, sir? Until Durali? Roughly from here point, this height. Not time. Distance. 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer, 1,000 meters, guys. People say 1,000 meters of ascent, dangerous ascent. Niche gire to sari gama ba. Just amazing, guys. I can't just believe my senses. Oh God.
Wow, beautiful view. Wow. ओ, हम लोग बादल के ऊपर है, बादल हमारे नीचे है। यहाँ जाना है, ये हमारा रास्ता है। Oh God, ये रास्ता है, आसमान को छूता हुआ रास्ता। अभी और ऊंचाई है। ओह गॉड, ब्यूटीफुल व्यू। वाओ।
So guys, literally you can see the mesmerizing views over here, really magnificent views as the sky, the clouds touches your feet. The clouds are literally below your feet, guys. So we are basically at a very high altitude, and once we witness this beautiful place, we are mesmerized with the magic of this nature as it unfolds, and we are seeing this beautiful place, guys. Literally our eyes cannot believe, as though you can witness these beautiful clouds. For example, when you're traveling in a plane, in a flight, you will see these clouds from your window. Similarly, we are seeing these beautiful clouds as we gain the altitude, and literally mesmerizing beauty unfolds to every person. So I suggest come to Goecha trek, enjoy the mesmerizing views, guys. Literally amazing views. So now we are to climb one more hill. Once we climb the hill, we will be greeted to Durali top. From Durali top is another break point where we can also have lunch. Durali top, you will see lot of mountains including Mount Padim and also the Mount Kangchenjunga, the third highest mountain in the world. The first glimpses would be visible from Durali top. So don't miss this beautiful video. Don't forward, see and enjoy this video as it unfolds to every viewer. So guys, enjoy the video.
Dhirauli. Wow, we reached Dhirauli.
ये कोकतांग है ना, कोकतांग है, नॉर्थ काबरू
हाँ
और राथुंग पीक है, काबरू डोम है,
हाँ।
साउथ काबरू है, कंचनजंगा
कौन सा?
ये वाला, ये जो ऐसा बड़ा वाला है
ऐसे
ना, ऐसा वाला है ना,
ओके।
कंचनजंगा। ये इस साइड में नॉर्थ बोलता है
हाँ
और ये वाला
साउथ।
साउथ। हाँ जी,
साउथ कंचनजंगा,
हाँ
नॉर्थ कंचनजंगा।
हाँ, ऊपर वाला।
ओके
ये
ओके।
ये ब्लैक काबरू ब्लैक जैसा दिख रहा है,
हाँ हाँ
ये है कंचनजंगा।
We are at Dhirauli, 12,109 feet, 3,691 meters above sea level, guys. See the beauty. Before nature, man is nothing before nature. So don't overtake nature. See the nature, guys. See the nature. Amazing nature. Oh God. Amazing nature, guys. All mountains, 360 degrees mountains. And there's the cloud. Amazing. Wonderful, Nitin. He has took us to height of 12,109 feet above sea level. Wow! What a beauty, boss! मर गए. Wow! What a beauty! Sunset, we are lucky to see the sunset, guys.
So guys, we continued our trek for another 1 hour to reach the Zongri base camp. Wonderful journey, guys. As you can see, the mesmerizing sunset views are amazing. As the sun's rays reflect on the mountain, it turns into the gold color. And now we are continuing our journey to the beautiful Zongri, an hour to go. So once we reach Zongri, we will take some beautiful time lapses of the dome tents and rest for tonight. Tomorrow morning we need to start early to Zongri top to reach the Zongri top. So don't miss the next episode, the next part, guys. Today we are starting our trek from Zongri all the way to Zongri top. Very scenic beauty. From 13,190 feet we are traveling to 13,670 feet above sea level. See the beautiful views, guys. We actually started our trek at 2:30 a.m. in the midnight from Jongri base camp to all the way to Jongri top. You can see the beautiful mountains, entire panorama. The mountains completely from Kanchenjunga south, Kanchenjunga north, Mount Padim, and also there are numerous mountains here available. As you can see the beautiful mountains, guys, right in front of your eyes as it unfolds for every traveler who comes to Jongri top. So Jongri base camp to Jongri top roughly takes about an hour or two, depending on the climate and also the temperature as well. So you can see sunrise views. We are waiting for the sunrise to come up. As you can see, the sun lights up the entire sky with beautiful orange and red tints. Literally mesmerizing, guys. Amazing. We are enjoying every minute of it. Literally mind-boggling. So come to Jongri top, guys. If you are coming to Jongri, or if you opted for the Goecha Kanchenjunga base camp, do remember, come to Jongri and then go to Jongri top. Let me tell you all the mountains. You can see here all the mountains represented. Kaburu, south, north, Kanchenjunga, Black Kaburu in the front, and also you have the Mount Pandim. All the ranges is very clearly shown in this video. As you can see, I tried to put the actual photo versus the video so that you can understand what are the mountains available here. Wonderful, guys, literally amazing, mind-blowing. The sun has started to come out of its darkness and you can see the different vistas of colors. As you can see at the Jongri top, 13,670 feet above sea level, guys. Huge height, mind-blowing. Chilled winds are touching our cheeks. Amazing experience, guys, just amazing. So let me show you the mountains once again. As you can see here, Kaburu north and south, including Kanchenjunga, including Mount Pandim and Kaburu Black, all are visible before our naked eyes. Some people opt for Jongri top itself. They don't go to Goecha Kanchenjunga base camp totally, but we are going total trip. So basically from Jongri, tomorrow we will be going to Tansing, and then Tansing to via Lamuney, we will go to the beautiful Kanchenjunga base camp or the Goecha Kanchenjunga viewpoint 1, followed by Samithi Lake. Samithi Lake is where you will get the golden duck. A pair of golden ducks are visible in Samithi Lake, so don't miss that opportunity. So don't miss the next episode as well.
आ चुके हैं कहाँ पे?
हाँ, कहाँ पर आए हैं बताइए।
जोंगली टॉप पे आ चुके हैं हम लोग।
हाँ।
और यहाँ से जो है आपको कांचनजंगा दिखेगा, पांडिम दिखेगा और माउंट काबरू का पूरा रिज दिखेगा उस साइड को, तो आप देख सकते हो।
ये हमारा भाई है, तगड़ा वाला एक्सपीडिशन करता है, एवरेस्ट सर के आया है अभी।
सही बात। अभी नीचे भी उतरना है। सनराइज हो रहा है ना।
Anita is enjoying these beautiful vistas of the mountains, the sunrise views, guys. She is mesmerized by these views of the mountains and she's unable to express her emotions. I would say every person should come to Himalayas, see the beautiful sunrise. The sunrise is amazing, guys. The golden vistas of the mountains at Jongri top is pretty amazing. No words can describe the beauty of the nature, and Anita is enjoying thoroughly the beautiful sunrise views at 13,670 feet above sea level. Literally amazing, guys. Kudos to Anita ji. Hats off to your brave adventure trekking experience that you possess. All the best for your future treks as well. Jongri Kangchenjunga is 4 kilometers, 4,000 meters above sea level. Wow. इधर बोर्ड है Jongri 12,778 feet, 3,895 meters. very important day. We are starting our trek from Zongri all the way to Tangsing. Tangsing is one of the last camp before we go ahead with the Kangchenjunga viewpoint, the main base camp. So today it's a tough trek, guys. At least 8 hours it will take. All the way from Zongri, 13,190 feet, to Tangsing, 12,910 feet. So we are going to Zongri. From Zongri we will go to Kokchurang, have lunch, and then go to Tangsing. Total time 8 to 10 hours, guys. So enjoy this beautiful video.
See the Grandeur Mountains, guys. Amazing trek has started from Zongri to Tangsing. Wonderful place, guys. See the barren land. Everywhere barren land. Wonderful, guys. Just amazing. Mind blowing. I can't ask for more than this beautiful nature. Wonderful, guys. Just wonderful. See the beauty, landscape. Yes, that's me, Viplav. Yes, I have come to Goecha trek. Kangchenjunga base camp trek, guys. See the beautiful terrain all across. Wonderful terrain as we are going up into the Himalayas. Just mind blowing, guys. Just mind blowing. Himalayas से गोद में आपका स्वागत है. The trail path, just amazing, guys. Oh God, mind-blowing trail path, guys. Very less oxygen, but mighty peaks all around, guys. Just amazing, like a photograph. Guys, see the mighty peaks all across, like photograph, guys. Literally amazing. Wonderful mighty peaks all across. Just amazing, guys. I can't believe nothing. Dil maar ke more. Nothing. Hello, guys. देखो भाई Himalayas. इधर हीरो is taking us to Tangsing. चॉकलेट कार है. ऑक्सीजन लेवल कम है थोड़ा. 13,000 फीट अबव सी लेवल. लोग बोलते चॉकलेट खाए तो ऑक्सीजन सही रहता है.
ये रहा अपना रास्ता. थोड़ी थोड़ी आइस भी मिल रही है. हाँ. जहाँ जहाँ पानी वहाँ वहाँ आइस. ठंड की वजह से सब आइस हो गया है जितना भी पानी था. ये देखिए. वाओ, ब्यूटीफुल. क्या रास्ता है. ना लोग ना घर, चारों तरफ जंगल, पहाड़ी, पत्थर. उस बीच में हम दोनों चले जा रहे हैं अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंचने के लिए.
See the trail, wonderful trail, and this is ice place. Wonderful trail, guys. Enjoying the Himalayas. Goecha trek, Kangchenjunga trek is amazing, guys. This is a trail, frozen water, and this is top of the hill. We have come down to another hill, guys. Amazing opportunity to come here and witness this beautiful.
इससे क्या होगा?
इससे
हाँ.
इससे रास्ता खुलता है.
हाँ.
गड्ढा खुलता है और ऐसे माउंटेन में चढ़ते हैं.
अच्छा.
इससे क्लाइंब करते हैं.
ओके. अच्छा, ऐसे करने से इस पे चल सकते हैं?
नहीं चल सकते.
नहीं चल सकते.
और फिसल हो जाता है.
ओह. चल, ग्रिप आती है ना इससे तो. वाओ. इधर. वाओ, पूरा आइस है.
Trekking on top of the mountains, one after one, each mountain I have to climb to reach Kangchenjunga viewpoint. Amazing, guys. Just amazing. Hiking path is horrible tough. We are hiking into the Kangchenjunga viewpoint. Very tough journey, guys. Very tough journey. भाई तानसिंह कितना दूर है? बहुत. कितना घंटा लगेगा? 2 घंटा.
देख रहे हैं ना वो वाला
हाँ
ऊपर मैदान
हाँ
वही है
2 घंटा लगेगा।
कॉकचुरुंग पहुंचने का 2 घंटा वहाँ से भी लगेगा ऊपर चढ़ाई है।
अबो वो कॉकचुरुंग है क्या? ठीक है।
ये क्या है भैया? ये कौन सी जगह है? क्या कौन सी जगह है?
कोकचुरोंग आ गए फाइनली। वी कम टू कोकचुरोंग गाइस, ऑलमोस्ट 300 मीटर्स अबव सी लेवल। फाइनली आ गए, अभी चढ़ाई है 2 घंटे का। 2-3 आवर्स में हम पहुंचेंगे हमारा डेस्टिनेशन, और प्लेस, ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस गाइस, वंडरफुल। सो ऑल सेट टू द नेक्स्ट प्लेस गाइस। यू कैन सी द ट्रेकिंग पाथ, जस्ट माइंड ब्लॉगिंग। ओ गॉड।
So guys, this lake is called Prachu Lake, coming from all the way from Kangchenjunga glacier. We have to cross this lake. There is a wooden bridge that needs to be crossed. Once we cross the lake, more an hour or two to reach Tansing. Before sunset we have to reach, or else wild animals might be visible in this tedious, dangerous forest area. You can see a lot of trees, especially on the mountain slopes. You will see a lot of wild animals in the middle of the night, so we should be very careful. So here a lot of boulders everywhere. Somehow we have to cross these boulders to cross this bridge of this particular lake, and then we will do a uphill again, and then we will reach Tansing by early evening, hopefully. Tedious trek today guys. Almost we have been walking since morning 7 a.m. Now it is almost 5 p.m. Since we need to take video coverage as well as trekking, so it takes a bit of more time. But we enjoyed this beautiful nature as it unfolds to the mankind. Come to Kangchenjunga base camp, you'll enjoy, and you will get detoxified coming in this beautiful place guys.
लोकेशन गाइस, नीचे पर्वत, माउंट कांचन पर्वत। रिवर, रफ रिवर गाइस, वेरी रफ रिवर। वो भयंकर है भाई। Glimpses of Kangchenjunga mountain, wonderful guys. You can see the first glimpses of Kangchenjunga mountain in all its glory. Wonderful. We are going near to it.
Welcome to Tangsing.
We are at Tansing. New toilet is also building up. Another panel. New toilet is also building up. Another panel. We are at Tansing. We are starting to the Samithi Lake
Yeah.
first. After Samithi Lake, depending on time, we will try to cover all the places and come back early.
So guys, today it would be a very treacherous journey. From Tansing, we are on the way. We'll be going to Samithi Lake and also see the Mount Kangchenjunga viewpoint, the summit. So via Lamuney, so we will be climbing from 13,680 feet, almost to 15,100 feet above sea level. Pretty mind-boggling, and looking forward. So this is the tents that we have stayed yesterday night.
ये टेंट में रात भर रुके थे हम। हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग।
So guys, this is mighty Tansing base camp. As you can see, the first glimpses of the Kangchenjunga views from Tansing, 12,910 feet above sea level, and it's very chilly today. So we have started our trek in the early hours after having a very quick breakfast around 7:30 a.m.
Just amazing guys. I can't believe we are here.
White color.
White color. All the way from Hyderabad, we have come here to witness this Kangchenjunga mountain in all its glory guys. In all its glory. और Mount पानी में और left में, middle में Kangchenjunga. Amazing guys. Literally it's amazing. I am really enjoying every minute of it. God can't help us more. Enjoying every minute. अनिता कैसा लगा आपको?
बहुत एंजॉय किया, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। फुल टू ट्रैक की, और बस अब लास्ट आपका बेस
The
कैंप
last glimpses are remaining, guys. The last glimpses are remaining. We'll go there. We'll go to Samithi Lake, the Golden Duck, and then we will see the viewpoint 1 with all its glory. Our Indian national flag will also be in pride with the Kangchenjunga, third highest mountain in the world. So coming soon, guys. Stay tuned.
Hey guys, Lamuney, yes, Lamuney तक आ गए। ओह, इसके अंदर क्या है? वाओ, यहाँ छोटी सी हट है। आई थिंक सीजन में यहाँ पर लोग इस कुछ खाते पीते होंगे। वो कॉफ़ी का बॉटल भी है, कोको कोला।
Hi, welcome to Lamuney. Have treacherous trek of 3 hours. We reached Lamuney, 4,140 meters above sea level, guys. So from here we are going to Samithi Lake, Samithi Lake, and then to the main places. Wow, wonderful area, guys. Enjoyed every minute of it. Background Kangchenjunga, the mighty mountain. We are going to Samithi Lake in a short while. Welcome to Himalayan Chronicles. We have come to Lamuney. Tough trail, straight trail but tough trail, straight trail but tough trail. Oxygen is very less. We're going to Samithi Lake from here, and then we will enjoy the beautiful viewpoints of Kangchenjunga. Oxygen is less, so I'm getting a little bit of nausea. But all it is good. We are enjoying every minute of it, guys. Enjoy every minute.
So as you can see, this stream of water is flowing all the way from Samithi Lake. Samithi Lake is freshwater lake formed by the mighty glaciers of Kangchenjunga. And now we are about to continue our journey from Lamuney to Samithi Lake. Take out 2 hours mostly, because we are taking videos, photography and exploring the beauty of the Himalayas. So stay tuned, guys. It will be an amazing journey.
Viplo once again, Kangchenjunga viewpoint. Wow, we're on the way to Samithi Lake. See the mountains across. Everywhere mountains, guys. Everywhere mountains. Very tough journey. Trail you can see below. I just climbed one mountain actually. Oh God, mind blowing. See the Kangchenjunga view. We're on the way. There's a trekking route, guys. Tough trek path. I just climbed one mountain. Very tough trek path. See the trekking path. Very tough trekking path, guys. We reached the Samithi Lake. Wonderful Samithi Lake. Beyond the Kangchenjunga viewpoint, guys. Amazing. What else do you expect? Amazing, guys. Just amazing, guys.
Beautiful transparent water. As it touches these beautiful mountains, you can see the golden duck swimming with its pair. Beautiful golden duck, guys. Finally, we were able to catch these golden ducks with our eyes. We were able to see them. Wonderful experience.
You can see the beautiful Samithi Lake in all its glory. Samithi Lake is amazing, guys. And backside, Kangchenjunga, the first viewpoint, the main third largest mountain in the world. As you can see, the Kangchenjunga is just beside the Samithi Lake. Toughest trek. Goecha trek is very tough overall. Amazing. We enjoyed every minute of it, guys. Literally. So we're waiting for Anita. Anita has gone to the viewpoint 1. So we are waiting for Anita to take the beautiful glimpses of the Kangchenjunga base camp. Hopefully we should get good pictures. Kudos to Anita ji. Bravo. So wonderful, guys. Overall it was tremendous experience, I would say. Amazing experience, guys. Just amazing. Mind blowing.
The mighty Kangchenjunga viewpoint 1. As you can see, the beautiful Beautiful views, guys, literally. 15,100 feet above sea level. Explore and enjoy these beautiful views at the Kangchenjunga viewpoint.
हेलो, पीछे कंचनजंगा माउंटेन। वाओ, ये समिट तक आ गए हम लोग। ये आपका कंचनजंगा।
हाँ जी।
और इधर साइड में कौन सा है?
ये पंडिम।
ये देखें, ये रहा पंडिम, ये रहा पंडिम। वाओ,
समिट पे।
हाँ, समिट भी हो गया। ये उरे, उधर कंचनजंगा। वाओ,
कंचनजंगा कंचनजंगा।
वाओ।
Amazing experience, guys. The whole 360-degree mountains is visible at this viewpoint base camp, Kangchenjunga. Kangchenjunga is visible, Kangchenjunga South, North, and also Mount Pandin. And the moment we touch our Indian national flag, holding it at this height, 15,100 feet above sea level, has raised literally goosebumps. And you can see mighty Anita holding the beautiful national flag of India right at Kangchenjunga base camp. Amazing experience, guys. Literally goosebumps and mind blowing. This will be remembered forever in our life. Amazing. Hope you liked the video. So now from viewpoint 1 we are going back to Samithi Lake to enjoy the rest of the time at Samithi Lake, and then we will be returning our journey to Lamuney, and then from Lamuney to Tansing, and then we will start our return journey. So by the way, return journey takes at least 3 days, guys. Plan is from Tansing, we were planning to go to Tshoka, and from Tshoka to Sachin, and then Sachin to Yuksam. This is going to take 3 to 4 days at least, and let's enjoy this beautiful views. Amazing mountains, guys. Always mountains are calling.
Guys, our Indian national flag at Kangchenjunga viewpoint. We have almost completed Goecha trek. Thanks to Nitin Bhai, who has organized and helped us to achieve this great moment. Thanks you once again, Vikas Adventures. We have completed the Kangchenjunga viewpoint, Kangchenjunga base camp. Thank you, visit again. Thank you for your Kangchenjunga National Park. Let me show you the main park entrance, guys, in a short while. Finally, we have completed the Kangchenjunga National Park visit along with Kangchenjunga viewpoint, Samithi Lake.
We also received the certificate of accomplishment for completing this beautiful Goecha trek, also called as Kangchenjunga Base Camp Trek, from 16th December to January. Amazing. And one more thing, once we start our journey from Yuksam all the way to Siliguri, we can see these mountains, Kangchenjunga, in a bird eye view. As you can see, literally we can't imagine, and I can't imagine, literally we were actually standing at those peaks few days back. Amazing, guys. Himalayas are a magical journey to one and every person. See this Kanchenjunga views once again on the way when we are traveling to Siliguri.